Hello and welcome back to the Coder's Rocket. Today we're learning how to build a Python bot and hence completing the Gemini API course. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first we'll create a folder named Python bot, which I've already done, and copy the .env file that we used in our copy.ai project and are using Gemini project. So I've already done that, but you'll have to do that if you're not done. Then we're going to create a main.py file and an llms.py file, and then inside of the llms.py file we'll be importing Google dot generative AI as LLM. Then we're going to do import.env, and we're going to do input.env as dot, and then we're going to do load.env. After that, we're going to go into the file that we created in our copy.ai project, the llm.py file. I'm going to copy all of this. I'm going to go back into our own llm.py file, import os as os, and paste in all this code. And we're going to go in our main.py file, import Streamlit as st, and import llms as model. Then we're going to do st.title to create title Python bot. And we're going to do prompt is equal to st.text area. Label will be what should we keep the label? I'm going to label it as input / prompt. Then we're going to do if the user has entered in the prompt, we're going to do response is equal to prompt is equal to model dot write you are an expert Python. You are a Python expert bot. You can do anything with the Python programming language. And then we're going to do st.write or response. Then we're going to go and open our terminal and seed into Python -bot. That's what I've named my folder. Close this off. And then we're going to do Streamlit run main.py. Going to run. Then it's going to run our Streamlit app, and here's the URL. Going to copy that. Now what we're going to do is more prompt engineering and less technical. Going to replace this and going to do a Python bot who can answer questions in Python. Then we're going to reload our app and rerun it. Then we're going to do what is a Python function again. I'm going to copy it just in case something happens. Enter it. And we didn't get a response. Okay, what's the reason? So we have forgotten to add plus prompt. It was just taking this prompt, not the actual prompt that the user gave. So that was the reason for this. But the error wasn't supposed to come out. Let's go into the lrm.py file and check what's wrong exactly with it. How we properly label it is model. Okay, we're going to copy and paste it here. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our journey today. We walked through the steps of creating a Python bot together, and I hope you found this video both informative and enjoyable. Remember, the world of programming is vast and ever evolving. There's always something new to learn, a different approach to try, or a unique problem to solve. So don't stop here. Continue exploring, continue coding, and continue innovating. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything we've covered today, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help and learn together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Thank you for joining us today. Dream big, code big, achieve big.